Hi there. Let's explore the inline edit feature in bulk actions for WPForms. It's the fastest way to tweak labels, required status, or labels visibility right from the panel. First, make sure the plugin is installed and active. Then, from the left menu, click Forms, Ultimate Kit. Select the form you want to manage. Open the Bulk Actions panel. All your fields are listed with labels, required status, and the eye icon for visibility. Need to change required status? Check or uncheck the box next to the label. Want to rename a field? Click the label and type. Changes happen instantly. Want to hide or show a field label? Click the eye icon. Easy and fast. When finished, click Save. Your updates go live immediately. And that's it. A fast, easy way to edit WPForms fields inline. It's a small feature, but it saves you time on quick tweaks. Download links are in the description. If this helped, like and subscribe for more WPForms tips.